What are you doing to poor Matilda? Hey? You are such a good girl, Matilda. Hey, you are such a good girl. Aren't you? Hey? Oh, you're having kisses. Is that kisses? Good girl. Oh no, don't bite her, Darcy. Good girl, Matilda. Put your whole head in her mouth. What you doing? Oh, you're having a roll you over. Oh, roll you over. Good girl. Oh, Tilda box. Good girl. I do, we love Tilda. Yes, we do. Don't we? We love that Tilda. Oh, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. You are such a good girl. Mucky eye. You've got a mucky eye, darling. There you go. It's all the dust in it. He's a good girl. He's a good girl. Good girl. You're a good girl. You give me kisses. Oh, is that kisses? Yeah, good girl. I think Darcy loves you, Matilda.